Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Trello in 2025, perfect for beginners who want to organize the projects, the tasks, and even personal goals. So by the end of this video, you will know how you can set up your board, lists, cards like a pro. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Trello.com. Over here, you need to sign up with the help of your email or your Google account. Once you have done that, it is automatically going to create a workspace for you. But you can also click over here on the create option here in the top. Then click on the option of create board. Over here, you need to give your board a name. So you can give anything, like I gave it like weekly tasks. After that, you can set the visibility for your board. So if you want to make it public, you can do that. But if you want to make it private, you can also select that. If you want to start with their pre-made templates, you can click on the second option and you can just take a look at the templates that they provide. But for now, I'm gonna just click on this create option in order to show you how it is going to look. So as you can see, this is the board that I have created here. So these are the lists that you can basically add or subtract. In order to add a list, simply click over here on this add a list option. Over here, you need to give your list a name, then click on the option of add list. Similarly, if you don't like any of the lists over here or you want to remove them, you can just simply select it, and after that you can archive this list and it will be removed from here and it should look something like this. Now you can also add the cards. So let's say I type the card. So this is the to-do list. So once my task is completed, I can just drag it and drop it here in the done section. This will let me know that my task is now completed. You can also mark it something like this so that you could know that your task is now completed. So this way you can start using Trello even if you are a complete beginner in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.